today's activity, I want you to group into three and present to me how we use technology in our society. So, ma'am, this is our brainstorm ideas, and we will present it to you how technology works in our society. So, this is a cell phone where we can communicate through just like through we're so far pero makakommunicate ka sa isa't isa. So we can do also research and we can also do study. So next is the Wi-Fi. So without the Wi-Fi we cannot I mean that also the data must be resolved. So sa Wi-Fi we can connect to Wi-Fi to TV, cell phones.
Wait na, time sa na-explain ka, explain.
So next is the laptop. Laptop is one of, as a college student, laptop is one of the necessary tool para mag-give research, mag-give thesis, and the PowerPoint that we had na mas easier and the visual na makita dyan na ito ba para mas masabtan pa na ito.
The next is TV. Help us to entertain movies and news.
So, lastly, we have the printer. So, as a college student, printer is the most essential thing para sa ato because more on print man tag mga paper. So, we use printer in our generation today. So, that's all, ma'am. Okay, excellent. Good job, guys. Yun na daw. Okay, class dismissed. So, second scene. We have the second scene first.
Wait, napaka-explain.
Hello, love. Ako man ka, uy. Ikaw sabihan ko sa imuha,
Hello, love. Sana all I love. Wish.
Ay, ma'am, anaon na siya, ma'am, o anaon na siya, ma'am, so at mag-take ng paper. Ang printer. Ano ka computer? Mag-printer na ibuhinatag na ako. Di ba, mag-print ka, ma'am, sige. Muli ka kita para.
Doon lagi ka na yan.
Mangkot siya kabalo dito. Wala kang kanian. Lagot na dito. Ano na ini? So, dahil ma'am. Anaon na siya, ma'am. Kaya dapat, imhala siya dito at dila. Ay, para naon na ay, kasayon na ay, uy, dahil nahaman nila ako pa ng ugawas at tapil, ma'am. At ulang pa dito, ma'am. Usip lang pa. Ay, naon naman di ay, kasayon. Kakabalo. Ma'am, ako ipa-print akong paper.
Naman daw, na-download na ni mo?
Okay, download.
Wala ka dito doon sa assistant ako. Ana, naman yung flash drive. Flash drive. Ibig biday. So, yun na, nasa drive. Gawas na siya after 7. So, yun na siya kadali. So, next, para sa sunod, if hindi pa kagapon ka balo, naramay mga mag-sorry-sorry para tubuan ka.
Ano ako, tigas ka yun? Ngayon, mapantay ka. Okay yun?
So that's technology works in our society. So, para sa tuwa murag, mas easy, mas faster, para mahimo na to atong daily routine bitaw nga, more convenient para sa tuwa bitaw